Hello. Today, we will discuss about decimals. Let's go. So, what are decimals? Decimals are one of the types of numbers, which has a whole number and the fractional part separated by a decimal point. Let's look at an example of a decimal number. 1 7/10. First, we have to know what are the parts of a decimal number. This is the decimal point. This is the fractional part. And this is the whole number part. Now, we will discuss what are the place values of a decimal number. Let's look at the example here. 3 124 hundredths. This is the tenths place. This is the hundredths place. This is the thousandths place. And this is the ones place. Now, let's discuss about how to convert decimals to fractions. Let's look at the example here. 0 68 hundredths. First, we need to know how many numbers are there in the decimal part. In this example, there are two numbers in the decimal part, right? It means that the last number is hundredths. So let's put the denominator here as 100. To find the numerator, copy the fractional part as the numerator. If the fraction needs to be simplified, then simplify it. For this fraction, it's 17/25. How about if there is a number in the whole number part? Let's look at this example. 1 78 hundredths. Converting it is simple. We just have to do what we did earlier. First, count the numbers in the decimal part. It's 2 in this number also. So that means we have to put 100 as the denominator in the fraction. Then copy the number in the decimal part to be the numerator. Also copy the whole number part in the decimal number to be a whole number in the mixed number fraction. Like what I had said earlier, if the fraction needs to be simplified, then simplify it. For this fraction, its simplified form is 1 39/50. Now you know what are the parts, the place values, and how to convert decimals to fractions. Remember, the place value of decimals are ones, for the whole number part only, tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. The parts of a decimal number are the whole number part, the decimal point, and the fractional part. To convert decimals to fractions, copy the fractional part for the numerator, count how many numbers are there in the fractional part, if 1. Then write 10 as the denominator, 100 if 2, and 1000 if 3, for the denominator, and simplify the fraction you got if needed. Decimals are one of the types of numbers, which has a whole number and the fractional part separated by a decimal point. Also remember that decimal points are read as and. For example, in this decimal number, it is read as 2 67 hundredths. Hope you learned something new today. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.